Hey everyone, I have a Dollarama and Dollar Tree haul here for you today. If you're new to this channel, my name is Diana Ruth and I do things that are mostly related to Operation Christmas Child, but I like to do different hauls along the way as well. First off, I just wanted to show you some really nice ideas for either your shoe boxes for OCC or for stocking stuffers or gifts. And I found this at Dollarama. It was $4, and the sticker does come off easily, so it wouldn't leave a residue behind. But they had different ones like this. And if you have somebody that really likes to draw and sketch, this would be a great gift. And depending on the size of your shoebox, this would also be really nice if you were doing like an art theme for a box. This is actually a gift for one of my daughter's friends who's into drawing. And here's 24 gel pens. 12 of them are scented and 12 are like marbled. So they're really cool and make a really nice gift. You could also split these up if you wanted to put some in different shoe boxes. But this is a nice gift to put together as well. Also in the art section, I found this scratch pad, and there's this yarn here that they can use to decorate a mane or a tail. And this was $1.75, and these two things were each $4. Now Dollarama has a lot of these little gift boxes. These would be great if you like to add little tins or boxes to your shoe boxes. You could put like underwear in here if you wanted to keep it private. Now I'm going to be using these as little gift boxes. Now this one would be really nice for a wilderness theme. I may save that one for that shoe box. And these were $1, and these ones were $1.50. So those are just really pretty little boxes, and they have all kinds of different varieties. Dollarama also had these little princesses. These were, I believe, $3.50, $3 or $3.50. These would make great little stocking stuffers or little items that you could put in your shoebox. I have Snow White and Sleeping Beauty. I found this really nice size Spider-Man, and this was $4. This would be great in a superhero theme. And then Dollarama had these little pencil pouches. I like that they're see-through, so they would be easy for the people at the processing center to go through them. This one is for Trolls, a princess one, and Paw Patrol. They also had Spider-Man there as well, but I've already picked some of those up at a later time. I love these little sticker sheets with the album. You get them for $1.25. This is a really beautiful book that I found at Dollarama. It was $3, but if you have a little one that loves Frozen, or you're doing a Frozen themed shoebox, this is just beautiful. And the story is different than the actual movie. And then in the back they have these really nice little ornaments that they can use to decorate. So this is a really nice Frozen book. Now I picked up these dry erase markers, and I thought that they were permanent markers. You get 6 for $1.50. I thought these would be great for writing their name on their soccer ball, but then when I got them home, I realized they were dry erase markers. But I can still find a use for these, and I thought that was a good price. They also have these Studio brand markers, and I believe these were $1.25. These would be great as a little stocking stuffer, or if you wanted to split these up in a shoebox. I know that my toddlers love writing with markers. And then I picked up 2 of these Buildable erasers with a mechanical pencil. I like these because they can play with them, and then they can use them down. And then I found these really pretty little notebooks. This one says Hello Sunshine, and these were $1.25, and there's even a little sun on the back of this one. And they're very bendable, easy to write in, and they would fit in a shoebox. Really nice as well. And this one would be great for like a sea theme. It says good vibes. And I think they had different ones of these as well. Then I found this fire truck. It's Ryan's World. This would be great in a shoebox with a fire truck theme. It has like little water cannons, and it's not battery required, so the little person can fit inside, and this can move up and down. So I thought that was a really good price at $4. This would be a great wow item or gift. And then I found this super cute little dog lunch bag. I have bought the purple kitty cat that they had, and I showed it in an older haul. But they could also, it's very soft. They could also use this to lay their head on. And then this was a really unique item. It's a packable blanket, and this was $4. I don't think that this retailed at $4 though. It unzips. This would fit pretty easily into a shoebox, and you just take it out. And it's quite large. It's very soft and seems to be good quality, and that's what it looks like. And then the last thing that I have from Dollarama, these are Twisty Pets. Now, I used to buy these for my girls when they were younger, and I would pay at least $11 to $13 each for these, and these were for $4. This is a unicorn. It can go into a bracelet, so you could even cut out the picture instructions for the child, but this is such a nice thing. I used to give these to my girls as stocking stuffers. And this one is a tiger. So that was a really nice find. And then I have a few things from Dollar Tree. I found these kitchen play sets. My daughter has played with one of these, and they do work well. $1.25, and I think this would be great to add into a shoebox because it could teach the child how to, hand coordinate and just the skill of slicing the fruit. And I liked that it was fruit and vegetables, which is a pretty, recognizable thing anywhere in the world. So I picked up these two. My daughter loves these. And then I found a couple of books. Now this one I got to go with the Spider-Man. I did check this over, and there's no weapons in it. It would be really cool to find a motorcycle to go with this box. But I thought that was a nice book, and it would help make the figurine come to life. And then I picked this one up for a shoebox. I like to add things that shows snow. And this would be really adorable with a little stuffed bunny added to it. And that was just $1.25. I found some Mickey Mouse stickers. And then I am going to do a bit of a Trolls theme next year, so I picked up this little activity pad, and there's crayons in the back. I also picked one of these up for my daughter. She likes Poppy a lot. And then I picked up one of the puzzles. These are good puzzles. And then last thing, I found these felt stickers. There's 6 for $1, and they seem like good quality. I like to add something Canadian into my shoe boxes since we live in Canada, so this is just something great to stick in your shoebox. And that is everything from the Dollarama and the Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys all have a wonderful holiday and Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching.